In this problem, the initial speed of the car is 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, and the mass of the car is 1500 kilograms. Okay, therefore, the average stopping force is equivalent to the magnitude of the change in momentum over the stopping time, or the average force is equivalent to when the car stops, the momentum will become zero. So 0 minus 1500 kilograms into its speed, that is 50 kilometers per hour. Now convert 50 kilometers per hour into meters per second. So multiply this by 100 meters per kilometer into 1 hour upon 3600.